Okay, good morning everybody. Today I want to give you guys a trade recap of the trades that I took yesterday. So on 14th August, these are the trades I took. I'd actually like done a live trading video of this, but the audio wasn't working. So I'll just do the recap today. So this is the first trade I took yesterday. This was I think at what 5:30, so 5:30, about an hour and 30 minutes after the opening of New York session. So this is basically the trade I took, and I set my stop out over here on this right here. So this is essentially my trade. Somewhere here I closed the trade here. I had taken the trade off of the fact that it had broke structure here, according to the 5 minute. Actually, wait, let me check. Yeah, broke structure according to it was consolidating downwards. So I entered here. It wanted to break and retest these lows and sweep liquidity here, and then it broke structure and I closed it over here. Then the next trade I took was over here. This one was also kind of similar. It's a 1 minute trade or just scalping trade. So this was essentially the trade I took. So essentially what I did was I just took the trade off of what do you call, I just scalped this and I took this trade over here because I wanted to sweep these lows over here. That's why. So it's just just short SMC concepts. I'm just trading off of that. So I identified my key zones. This was here. It wanted this was imbalance over here. It would eventually have to fill this up. But however, there are a lot more lows that this wanted to sweep, right? There was uh, there was this. There was this which was already swept, and there were more beyond that over here. Some lows over here as well. So first thing, there's an OB here. There's before the trade finished. This is the price range that I wanted to fill. So this is why I taken this trade. Yeah. So yeah. So essentially, what I did, I just took the trade based on an order block or liquidity sweep and a breaker structure. So that's pretty much, and also it has to be according to my daily bias, which is true, because if we go into this chart, if we remove this, get the sessions indicator, we will be able to see that it did in fact um, go according to what my daily bias was, which was bullish. So push down even more, and want to sweep London lows. So this is the reason for my first trade, and for the second trade, I want to go on off with some models at this point. And eventually manipulate, consolidate it, and change direction in the session. So yeah, thank you for watching this video, and I hope it helped you. And if it did, please leave a comment down below. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe.